Hello student, thanks a lot for supporting me. Thanks a lot for your comments. In the previous videos, I had already done the properties of the rational numbers and I had discussed with you the question number 1 and the question number 2 of exercise 1.1. Today, I will be doing the question number 3, question number 4 and the question number 5 of the same exercise. And who has not seen my previous videos, I will be sending the link of those videos in the description box. Those videos are also very important. So if you had not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it with your friends. Okay. Now the question number 3 of the exercise 1.1. What is there in that question? It is that verify that minus into minus x इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स. हमें प्रूव करना है कि माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स मीन्स दीज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये दोनों साइड्स हमारी क्या है? इक्वल है. सो जस्ट टेक द वैल्यूज here. Already the value of x given to you is how much? 11 upon 15. So at the place of x, what you have to do? You have to put 11 upon 15. So minus 11 upon 15. And here it is 11 upon 50. Okay. So minus multiply by minus. क्या होगा? Yes, minus multiply by minus. You had already done the integers in the class 6th and the 7th. So minus multiply by minus will be, yes, it will be plus. Okay. So it will be 11 upon 50. And at this side we are already having 11 upon 15. It means our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we had proved that minus x is equal to x. So see students, all the concepts of the maths are correlated to each other. That's why I am saying if you have not seen the previous videos, you have to see those videos. आपको देखनी ही पड़ेगी अगर आपको क्या करना है. अगर आपको अपने doubts, अपने concepts बिल्कुल अच्छे से clear करने हैं तो you have to see those videos. Okay. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So it is equal to, so you can write it minus x is equal to x. So left hand side is equals to our right hand side. It was quite simple if you know the concept of the integers. Okay. In case of the integers, we know minus into minus is worst. That is equals to plus. That's why here minus into minus I have written as 11 upon 15. So सब concepts आपके previous clear होने चाहिए so that you can move further easily. ओके आपको सब सारे अपने कंसेप्ट जो है क्लियर करने हैं. मैथ्स इज ऑल अबाउट द कंसेप्ट्स. इट इज नॉट अबाउट द क्रैमिंग. इफ योर कंसेप्ट्स आर क्लियर सो यू कैन इजीली डू द थिंग्स in a very good manner. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 4. Yes, in the next question, that is question number 4, what we have to do, we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of the following numbers. हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? हमें फाइंड आउट करना है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. So what is multiplicative inverse first of all? I had told you this thing. If you have seen my previous videos, you will be getting the concept of the multiplicative inverse there. That's why again and again I am saying please see my previous videos also. Please subscribe the channel so you can get the notifications also of all the topics. So multiplicative inverse is reciprocal of that number. Now what is the meaning of the reciprocal? Reciprocal means you will be changing your denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. जो भी वैल्यूज आपकी डिनोमिनेटर में है वो कहाँ चली जाएगी? न्यूमरेटर में. और जो वैल्यूज आपकी न्यूमरेटर में है वो कहाँ आ जाएंगी? आपकी डिनोमिनेटर में. ओके. सो -13 reciprocal will be, can we write it like this? Yes, we can write it like this, you know. Yes. So what is the reciprocal of it? Its reciprocal is 1 upon 13 and minus sign is also there. And मैंने आपको ये पहले ही बताया है. We should write the minus sign in the numerator. It is not like that कि माइनस साइन को अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे तो हमारा क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. Your question will be, your answer will be correct, but you should write it in the numerator. This is called the standard form of the rational numbers. Okay, so multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 upon 13. Is that clear? Now, move to the next question. In this question, you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 upon 8 multiplied by minus 3 upon 7. Students क्या करते हैं? They know the concept of the multiplicative inverse. वो क्या करेंगे? Minus 5 upon 8. First of all, they will be finding the multiplicative inverse of it. Then they will be finding the multiplicative inverse of it. Then they will be multiplying them, and then they will be getting the answer. But this is the wrong method. This is the wrong method. आपको क्या करना है? Firstly, you have to solve this. Okay? After solving it, whatever values you will be getting, you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of those particular values only. Getting my point? It is not like that कि आप separately दोनों का multiplicative inverse निकालोगे. ऐसा नहीं है. आपको क्या करना है? दोनों को solve करना है. Solve करने के बाद आपकी जो भी values आएंगी उसका आपको multiplicative inverse निकालना है. That is the correct method. Otherwise, in exams you will be getting 0. So students, if you are liking the content, please subscribe it, like it and share it with your friends for getting the latest notifications from my channel. Now, solve it. Minus 5 no cutting is possible. Okay, so straightforward, we have to multiply numerators with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So minus 5 into minus 3 is what? Yes. Think over it. Yes, it is 15. And 8 sevens is what? 8 sevens is 56. Now, whatever you are getting here, I am saying you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of this only. So, what will be the multiplicative inverse of it? Its multiplicative inverse will be 56 upon 15. The change in the values of the numerator and the denominator, the reciprocal of that particular number. Okay. So now, in the next third part, what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? Yes, the 1 is the only number whose multiplicative inverse will be 1. Okay, because minus 1 upon 1. If we are doing the reciprocal of it, again what will we be getting? We will be getting here minus 1 upon 1. Okay, so the reciprocal of minus 1 will be 1 only. So 1 is the only number whose multiplicative inverse will be same just like 1. Okay, so multiplicative inverse is what? Just the change of the numerator and the denominator value, the reciprocal of that number. And just concentrate over this question. In this question, you will not be just solving it like this separately. You will be finding the multiplicative inverse and then you will be combining that. Firstly, you have to solve it and then you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of it. So before doing the questions, think one time. ऐसा नहीं करना है कभी मैथ्स में कि सीधा क्वेश्चन रीड किया और करना शुरू कर दिया. Take a breath, long breath, and then think over what is given in the question, which steps I have to follow to solve it. Only then you will be able to go to the correct answer. Okay? तभी आप एक correct answer पे पहुंचोगे जब आप easily, smoothly उस क्वेश्चन को रीड करोगे, उसको अंडरस्टैंड करोगे एंड देन फाइनली अपने आंसर पे पहुंचोगे. ठीक है? So now move to the next question. Yes student, now the question number 5. In the question number 5, we had given that multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Now read the question carefully first of all. What you have to do? You have to multiply what? You have to multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Just read this line carefully. Reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Think one time what the question is saying. आपको सोचना है, टेक अ ब्रीथ, कि मुझे करना क्या है, क्या क्वेश्चन मुझसे डिमांड कर रहा है, मुझे क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करने होंगे. अगर आप ये वर्ड नहीं पढ़ोगे रेसिप्रोकल, योर क्वेश्चन विल बी रॉन्ग. देन आप क्या करोगे? सिंपली यू विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग 6 अपॉन 13 विथ minus 7 upon 16 and your answer will be wrong. So read the question carefully. You are going to multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So reciprocal of 7 upon 16, this word is important here. Okay, so write down 6 upon 13 as it is. Now what is the reciprocal of minus 7/16? Yes, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया है. रेसिप्रोकल इज व्हाट? डिनोमिनेटर गोज टू न्यूमरेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर गोज टू डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, सो इट बिकम्स व्हाट? क्या बन जाएगा? 16 minus 16/7. You have to take the minus sign in the numerator only, because if you will not be taking the minus sign in the numerator, somehow whenever you will be doing the calculations related to the LCM, HCF etc, you will be doing the mistake. So I don't want कि आपका कोई भी नंबर जो है डिडक्ट हो किसी भी केस में एग्जाम में, इसलिए in between I am used to give you short tricks. Okay, so now solve it. Is there any cutting possible? No cutting is possible. Okay, so 16 6 yes, 16 6 is 96. So minus 6 96 and 13 7 is was 91. So what is our answer here? Our answer is minus 96/91. You already know how to multiply, how to cut the numbers, but read the question carefully. The question demands multiply 6/13 by the reciprocal. इस वर्ड को आपने डेफिनेटली अच्छे से रीड करना है. रेसिप्रोकल. अगर आप इस वर्ड को जल्दी में नहीं रीड करोगे, मल्टीप्लाई 6/13 by minus 7/16, बट यू विल बी गेटिंग 0, बिकॉज आप क्या करोगे? 6/13 को डायरेक्टली किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे? minus 7/16, एंड अल्टीमेटली जो भी आपको मिलेगा, जो भी आंसर आप निकालोगे अपना टाइम वेस्ट करके, एग्जामिनर इज गोइंग टू गिव यू 0 marks. सो read the question carefully. Okay, so at last you are getting your answer as minus 96/91. Now student, for the online classes you can contact me. Okay, I will be sending my email ID to you. If you want to contact me for the online classes, then I'm ready to provide you with the online classes also. So you can send me your details, your contact number. I will be calling you regarding the online classes. And you had not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share.